Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another fun, exciting collab with my friends Candace from Candace Hampton and Lisa from the Curvy Cuban. And the fun theme for today is Sweet Tooth. Okay, so I have a general idea of what I want to do, but I don't really have a game plan of how I'm going to go about it, so it may end up looking totally different. But I did grab my candy themed palettes here. I got my Sweet Tooth from Hank and Henry, and of course Jawbreaker from Jeffree Star. And I grabbed my Violet Voss Best in Life ones because it has some really nice glitter and I'm probably going to need that at some point. So let's go ahead and get started. So many choices. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is lay down a base shadow, which is going to be this one right here. I think I have no idea what I want. I think I'm going to go in with this color right here. That is Cutie. So I'm going to take and use two colors here. I'm going to go with this one right here. This is Soaked and Delicious. Bad leaky eye, so I don't know how well that's going to hold up today. But, you know, there it is. That's the idea. So I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Mint Tea. Okay, I'm going to go in with the palest pink I can find. Find a brush here. And that is going to be this one right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with this color here called Snack. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Laughs color and just dab that a little bit on the eyes. Now, in the bottom waterline, I am going to use this blue color by ColourPop. This is Prance. Now I'm going to use this liner from Marc Jacobs. This is Grapevine. My eye is watering so bad, it's messing up my makeup. Let me see if I can remedy it somehow. Okay, let's put a little mascara on. The bottom mascara I am using Bad Gal Bang. Also Bad Gal Bang, but in black for the top. put some lashes on, and that is Sweetie right here. Okay, so now we're moving on to the rest of the face because I'm not finished. So we are going to use this pink right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with bubblegum. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with Snack. Okay, so now we're going to go in with Cotton Candy. So now I want some hearts, and I don't know how well this is going to go down, but I want to treasure on some hearts. So I think now I want to fill in those hearts. Let's start with mint tea. Yeah, that one right there. Then I'm going to go in with this purple one right here. I think I'm going to try Snack, see if I can get that to show up. Okay, so I think at this point I'm going to do a lip, and I think I'm going to go pink, and that is this one right here. This is Sugar Pill in Lala. So now I think I want to put some sprinkles on. I don't think glitter, I think sprinkles. And I have some blue ones left over from another look I did, so I'm going to do that. Should have left off the sprinkles. I think the sprinkles were a little bit too much with this look. Okay, so I decided the sprinkles weren't it with this look, and I think I'm going to add something else. I'm going to add this purple here. This is very faint, kind of a pinkish purple, just to the bottom of the hearts. Okay, so I removed the sprinkles because I just didn't think it was a good fit for this look. So it is definitely inspired by my candy hearts here. I guess I did okay. What do you guys think? Do you think this is a good sweet tooth look? Don't forget to check out the other ladies' videos. They always do fabulous looks, and I love doing collaborations with them. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video.